Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today, we are going to talk about yet another explosive token that has been making waves in the CRONOS ecosystem, exactly as we predicted here on the channel. CorgiAI has been exploding lately, and I said that other tokens within this ecosystem could start pumping. And now there's a token I'm going to talk to you guys about today called Minted. It is the token associated with the Minted Network NFT platform, which is usable for both Ethereum and CRONOS NFTs. It's native to the CRONOS chain, but it is available for Ethereum and CRONOS NFTs. Guys, this thing is absolutely exploding right now. It is the #1 trending token in the CRONOS ecosystem. And honestly, if you go to the crypto.com app, it is ranked #1 on top gainers for the day. But here's the thing that blows my mind right now. When you go over to even Crypto.com's price tracker, you can see in the last 24 hours, you filter up to the most top performing tokens. BNB, funnily enough, is the #1 gainer on the day. Only 11% gains. Why wouldn't they show Minted? Well, if you do look at some of these other gainers they do have it listed on top movers up here. So it is sampled there, but it is not listed on top movers on just the general coin showing for coin market cap. It's not on the trending. It's not on largest gainers. It's just not being shown right now, which is very, very interesting. And again, when you look at the top performers that on the day, again, you filter the top movers in the last 24 hours, it is not even there. So this is a coin that is not on people's radar yet. You can see even on coin market cap, again, same thing. Nobody is actually watching what's going on here. Now, what is Minted? What is this token that's absolutely been exploding right now? I'm going to get to that in a second, but first, let me show you guys a little bit more about the price action on this coin. Excuse me. So looking at this chart, it has absolutely exploded here recently, and the previous highs are up at around 25 cents. Now, the market cap for this token is at $15 million. There is $1 million in volume in the last 24 hours. I actually took some profits in some CorgiAI recently last night, and you can see on the thumbnail I said 77%. Last night, I sold about $2,500 or $2,300 worth of CorgiAI tokens, took a little bit of profit, and moved it in to the minted coin before it absolutely started exploding up to the 8-cent levels. I bought it at about like 6.9 cents, I want to say, last night. And then today I woke up, it was up 77%. Now today it is retracing a little bit. You can see we had a little bit of a dip, but it does look like it wants to come back up. Now, why is this token dipping? It's just simply because Bitcoin took a little dip today and is moving back up right now. Ethereum took a little dip today. Solana took a huge dip today. Everything was dipping today. So what is this token? Well, Minted. This is a big part of the DeFi ecosystem that the CRONOS team is building, which is spectacular to see. It is a multi-chain marketplace for Ethereum and CRONOS NFTs, and I'd be curious to see if it was able to integrate other NFTs into the future as well. But they are trying to do better with NFTs. The crypto.com NFTs, we've talked about that on the channel, not necessarily having the most success, but right now, CorgiAI has their NFTs that are coming soon. There are some NFT tickets associated with the CorgiAI team. Those are breaching all-time highs right now. There is some attraction to this marketplace right now. It seems they're integrating a lot of the different projects and the DEXs and the dApps, the VVS miner moles, the Cosmonauts, everything into these marketplaces where you can stake, earn rewards. And if you were staking some of your NFTs in this platform, you could actually earn the minted tokens. And if you were doing that, then you probably make quite a bit of money just holding these tokens. Now, I am coming out from the outside, didn't have anything staked in this ecosystem, and buying this token because of the utility for it, because of the integration to the crypto.com DeFi wallet, which I'm bullish on, and because the market cap is so low. And after the CorgiAI explosion that we've had over the last week or two, I think people are going to start taking profits into other promising tokens within the CRONOS ecosystem. That's been my hypothesis, and it's been coming true. So what is this again? A little more takeaways: self-custodial trading, multi-chain support, token rewards for participation, external auditing. Users can buy and sell NFTs for both CRONOS and Ethereum ecosystems. They offer rewards for using the platform. And it's actually really simple to use. If you want to take a look at it, it's actually a really great looking platform. This is still the beta, but there's a lot more coming up for this. And as I was talking about earlier, you can see that there has been some NFTs that have been successful lately, specifically the CorgiAIs. Right now, these floor prices are 925. These things went up about 100% in the last week. Really, it's been an absolute crazy time. Again, that's coming around, revolving around a token that's been exploding, CorgiAI. But as this ecosystem comes together, guys, everybody's going to want to figure out exactly what all these different tokens are in here. And I'm trying to make sure that we are early, okay? Because CRONOS is still very early in the bull market. The CRONOS coin has been waiting for a breakout. A lot of people have been getting impatient with the price action, but as this token is coiling, the ecosystem has been doing pretty darn well. Now, the total value locked up in this DeFi ecosystem hasn't really been increasing yet, and so that's admittedly a truth that we have to be aware of. Well, the Solana ecosystem has breached $1 billion market cap in terms of total value locked up in the DeFi ecosystem. CRONOS has just been pegged to about a $360 million total value locked up in the ecosystem. That is mostly in part due to the CRONOS token, but the attraction coming from the CorgiAI coin and now minted, which I do think has a lot more upside. We could certainly keep coming down for minted because, these smaller cap coins have a lot more volatilities. But again, I'm more on the side of things that while this price action is so boring for CRONOS, people are going to start trading within the CRONOS ecosystem with the CorgiAI tokens, using the DeFi app to do a swap, to buy some minted, just like we predicted here on the channel. It was actually the one specific token I mentioned next to CorgiAI and CRONOS ID recently that I was bullish on, and it is the one that has moved the most next to those two tokens. CRONOS ID took a retracement. I'm out of that position completely. But again, I'm doing swing trading in this portfolio and having a lot of fun doing it. Turned about $8,000 into about $16,000 just in the last week alone, trading some of these altcoins and CRONOS as the price action is consolidating for this coin. Now, there is something very exciting here for the CRONOS price action, guys. We are at the bottom of a channel. I do believe we get a bounce off this move. If we do break down below it, we look out for 8.7 cents again. But really, the only way I see that happening is if Bitcoin fails to hold up in this triangle that I had just drawn out earlier on my stream. We do streams Monday through Friday, every single weekday for you guys. Make sure you guys check them out. And if you want to become a member on the channel, you get access to our private Discord as well. You can join us in the link in the description down below to get access to the membership, and you can participate in our live streams. But if Bitcoin breaks down, CRONOS will break down. If Bitcoin bounces off this channel, it would correspond perfectly with Ethereum bouncing off this critical channel that we've been above here lately. Actually, let me zoom out so you can see it a little bit better, because if you're trying to figure out what's happening with CRONOS, you should look at the top tokens in the marketplace. Again, we broke out for Ethereum, ping pong, up, and we're hitting resistance. We're bouncing off the top of this. Previously resistance, turning it into support, could turn pretty bullish. It does look like the overall market cap wants to turn over, but in the meantime, it does look like CROCoin is finding a bottom in its current channel, and it is due for an explosion. Right now, Binance token is pumping. I think that it is certainly time for CRONOS coin to pump as well, especially considering our CEO is doing a lot better job than the Binance CEO. Yesterday, Chris Marziak put out a great speech, which I want to do another video on for you guys soon. But that's the quick update for you guys. That's what minted is. That's the moves that I've been making in this ecosystem. I do feel bullish on the minted token into the future. I will be holding this for a while and then shuffling profits as need be. Still have a large position in CorgiAI, about $10,000. I got about $6,000 or $5,000 now into minted as well, and I'm just kind of holding on, waiting to see what comes next. Trying to earn some more CRO coins, trying to earn some more Solana, Avalanche, Bitcoin, trying to get some of the bigger cap tokens by trading some smaller cap tokens as well. Now, that might not be the move for you if you're a newcomer to this space. I do think that sticking to some of the bigger coins is the safer bet, but there are some volatilities to take advantage of. If you can get savvy, follow the research, stay on the pulse, keep a finger on the pulse within this ecosystem and with all these different ecosystems that we're following here at the Crypto Report. If you want to learn more, turn on the notification bell, subscribe to the channel. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash that like button for us, subscribe to the channel, and of course, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Got 2 videos for you right here. If you want to check them out, see you next time, guys. Peace.